voices answer to my own. No guiding word, no steady light. Lord, I cry through day and night with all my might, yet helpless still. Savior, Savior, be my sight. I only need you, come fulfill. Pass me not, don't leave me, Savior. Hold me close and make me whole. Pass me not, oh precious Savior.